Hmm. I woke up few minutes back. I had a nap. Noon I slept. And when I slept, I thought of like, in my sleep, I thought of like it's night. No, I don't have, I don't want to wake up so late. So when I saw that the darkness is taking over, then I came to know that I slept in the noon. So I woke up. The time is somewhere around 1930, somewhere around there. Yeah. Huh. So the some third class people, what did they say? That how classless I speak, you deserve the same line. You deserve worst, पर मेरे को वो बोलने को होता नहीं इतना. हाँ. क्योंकि कल भी वो मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ बोल दिया, तो रेड हेड थिंग तो मेरे को खराब लगने लग गया. तो मैं उतना ही बोलता हूँ जितना मुझे बाद में खराब ना लगे. Hmm. So, hmm. What was that? What was that? Uh, what do you call it? You know something? The real thing is, court and officers want you to blow up that fucking money of sold data because there is a trap set to you. Look, I don't give a fuck about that money. Huh? That shove it up in your ass, man. Chal. It's your fuck up to. It's your fuck to deal with. And you wanted the public to be a part of this, and you wanted to defame me in public. You want to, so let public take control of this thing. When I do the copyright thing from my side, they have to cross verify it. So they are gonna ask for the file. They are gonna ask for your publishing. They are gonna ask for everything. Like I am gonna give them to everything, and they are gonna analyze the registration. They are gonna analyze everything. So, fake registry till everything. So file is typed somewhere in to 2021 and its registry is in 2017 and 2009. Some garbage. Huh? So everyone is gonna go through that registration because there are few fake registration stamp papers in Bombay as well. False registry has been done in Bombay, I found out. That's where I found out that the forgery was done. So the stamp papers and everything, registry has been done. So you wanted public to be a part of this investigation. Now public is a part of this investigation. Thanks to you. Thanks to the scammers. You wanted me to get defamed in public. Now public will take charge of investigation. I am gonna give the matter in the hand of public. Give the copyrights to the entire country, let them analyze the registration till everything. You created this, right? Last night someone must have, in the morning, I spoke with my mother about Shivaji Maharaj, his son, then Bhalasaheb Thackeray, then we spoke. So as if they portrayed something that I am only taking sides of Marathis and I am only thinking of Maharashtra, but of course I am thinking of Maharashtra, but there are other regions as well. Who are those? Those are not humans. Humans, right? आए रह रहे अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे. तुम उन्होंने भी वैसी गलती की जैसी तुमने की, तो इतना क्या है? और क्या सबने थोड़ी की है? जो गिने चुने मादर चुद लोग हैं उन्होंने किए, तो ये गलत है ना. Something must have happened. Some. What is this? Fire alarm. I guess it's the electricity. I don't know what it is. This is a new thing that I shouldn't give the case details or what. Look again. So, let public take charge of this case. Copyright goes to everyone. Let public take control of that forgery, fake forensic department, everything. You wanted public to enter this case. That's why you were defaming me. I'm giving the entire open thing to, what do you call it, permission to everyone from this country to investigate in this scam. Look, you see this. You hear this, not you cannot see. Even I cannot see. You hear this. I hear this. Let it be whatever it is, whatever they defamed and all. And last night when they did the, whatever the defamation they did, whatever rumors they spread, of course, my origin is from here. Of course, I'll look at my street, but it's my also duty that no one should get hurt. समझे? No one should get hurt. That's the right thing to do. और अगर समझो ये स्कैमर ये जो मादर चौध है, ये मादर चौध है, ये किसी के नहीं है. उनको घर, डेस्क और उनका लैपटॉप और स्कैम और पैसा और they are very mathematical. They are addicted to those numbers. Numbers. उनको नंबर्स वो इंक्रीज होते रहना चाहिए. समझे? वो बैंक है. तो मैं किसी के साथ बुरा नहीं होने दे सकता और किसी के गरीब के साथ. जो स्कैमर है उनकी माँ की चोर है वो. कौन है वो? और उसके ऊपर घिनौने भी है, नंगी वीडियो ये सब. हाँ, तो उनको क्लासलेस लगता है. व्हेन आई से दैट देयर हस्बैंड विद द फेक बूब्स पुलिस शुड चेक इट, और उनको नंगी वीडियो बनाते हुए क्लासलेस नहीं लगा. So when they are, those nudes are very important in court with the bank transactions. Okay, bank transactions and those nudes is the prostitution expenses. Yeah. It's gonna get checked. Then after that, people like Shailajar will be caught for the real client list. Which is the real client list? And woman is directly gonna say that it's their husband who are running the prostitution. Because that's what the matter is. Prostitutes are trans hookers which the sex videos are there, and the female prostitutes, I always avoided them. उनके मर्द मैंने देखा है जो क्लीन शेव दाढ़ी वाड़ी में रहते वो आजकल दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा रहे डर के मारे, क्योंकि पब्लिक उनको गुड़ की नज़र से देख रही है, तो ट्रांसोकर्स की नज़र से देख रही है. I'll look at clean shaved and everything. I'll stay how I am. क्योंकि my nudes are with who? With hookers. I mean, I fucked prostitutes, those trans hookers. Not the woman prostitute, because the woman from the Chembur West, same as. यहाँ पे क्या मालूम, मुझे नहीं मालूम यहाँ का क्या है. हर चीज तो वुमेन यहाँ पे भी चलता है क्या वो ब्रोथलाइजेशन स्ट्रीट होकर. This thing, women and trans together, नहीं ना. So the matter is was quite important to go to prostitutes to expose their message planting was done by prostitutes, and all this nudes were made by prostitutes, and those are the prostitutes who walked with the phone in front of the house. That's it. Case is solved right over there. The message planting was done by prostitutes. And prostitution racket is connected to call girls, online prostitution. That means they have their thing. Because prostitutes travel a lot. Prostitutes, according to when a client calls them, they have to go to the client. Call girls have to go to their client and all this stuff. So it's right there in that thing, bank thing. So let public take a grip on this case, because scammers itself defend me in public, and so let public take in charge of this case. That's what they wanted, right? That's why they defamed. I'm giving all the things to the public. Let public have it. Copyrights to the public, everything. So whatever money came into the fake bank account, because Netflix tried divide and rule. Netflix tried this. Divide and rule. So you have to get that thing. Copyrights to the entire country. If I would have not been this sharp fellow and the conspiracy which were held, if I would have never got this, people would have suffered a lot. It was a bad conspiracy. Riots are gonna happen. Riots would have happened. Riots may I still fear they may happen. I still feel the riots may happen. Because there are few bastards who are stopping the copyright thing, and forgery till the publishing, till the file forensics, till the file creation date will be taken care by every minister and public. Every tech fellow will put their hands on this case. किसको नहीं चाहिए? It's crores and crores of money into their account. Everyone will investigate. I am giving the copyright to the entire country. Let everyone investigate. So, I didn't ask for this. Look, they asked for this. They defend me in public. Now I am giving control to the public. Why? What is happening to them? They shouldn't be get scared, right? And I still feel there might be some fights, there might be some riots. It's better than this option. Public take care of this case and press charges in court for their copyright, which it belongs to them now. This territory I'll help with work if they are, but the one who sells the files, fake bank account as prostitutes, तो इनको वो क्लासलेस लगता है जब इनके पति नकली बॉल पहन के मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो, और इनको सेक्स वीडियो बनाने को क्लासलेस नहीं लगता है. चुतिया साला. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, कोर्ट एंड पुलिस वांट्स यू टू ब्लो द मनी. उड़ाओ तो उसके बाद जो तुम्हारा होने वाला है वो किसी के साथ वो क्या बोलते हैं वो तुमको मालूम नहीं है. Your prostitution is already on record. Nudes were made with prostitutes and fake bank account has prostitutes. So it will also have call girls, and the real client list will be with the persons like Shalazar. तो औरतें तो हाथ ऊपर कर देगी, वो बोलेगी वो तो उनके मर्द है. नकली बॉल, वो लेडीज़ कपड़े शॉपिंग भी किया है उन्होंने। हमें औरतें तो हाथ ऊपर करती है, बोले कि वो उनके मर्द है, वो थोड़ी प्रोस्टिट्यूट है, उनके पति प्रोस्टिट्यूट है, उन्होंने कपड़े शॉपिंग भी की है, तभी तो नंगे वीडियो बन रहे बाहर। तो you wanted to put me into cone of shame of nudes, sex videos. Your husband is a prostitute, transhooker, and who the children belongs to now, if he is a trans. You wanted me to get in conversation, right? Who the children belongs to, if your husband is a transhooker. Huh?